Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add your Facebook account on Facebook Poster. To start, first I need to check on this system that whether it is group is set to 5000 and maximum pages to import 5000, and make sure this one is set to 90 so that each time it will take 90. So the minimum requirement for this is 90, maximum also 90. So make sure this one is 90 and the rest is 5000 and make this a check. Now I will click on save changes. If I make more than 90, then I will not get the groups that I want. So what I will do, just make sure that is 90. Now let us page to refresh and then we'll proceed. Once it sets, so here it will show options has been updated. Now I will proceed with my adding the Facebook account. Now I will click on this and here it is asking for the Facebook email address and password. So I will put my username, but I will not put my real Facebook password. I will use app password to add this. So how can I generate the app password? So I will go to my Facebook account and then go to the settings option, and then I will click on security and login, and then I will go here app password and click on app. Then I will generate app password and proceed with the steps. I will name it as the app. Now generate password. So here is my password I have generated, so I can add this to the Facebook poster. So now I will go to here and put my username and the password and then click on generate token. As soon as I click on generate token, it will block me on Facebook, so I no need to worry. After I go to the Facebook account, it will show me like this: your account has been temporarily locked. So I will proceed with this, continue, and then it will show me this, and then I again continue, and the necessary steps I will proceed. After that, again I will click on generate token, and then I will copy the token and then I will paste it here and add my account. Now I need to wait for some time so that it will import all of my groups, pages, friends, everything. So once I add, I will proceed with the posting to the groups. So my group is been added. So here I can see my all of the groups and my pages. For these friends, I need to just make sure it is loaded. I will click on refresh and it will be refreshed and my friends will be added. Let us wait for some time and let's see it works. Once it is updated, I can see your account has been updated successfully. Now I will click on close and click on resend, and it will show me the updated account. As you can see, my friends have been added and groups are added, pages are added, managed pages are added. So if you have joined any further groups, I will just click on this button and it will update my account. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you will like it and share our app to your friends, family, everyone.